Hi there, this is Jason McComb and I'm just introducing you to the Alpine X701-D infotainment system for the Audi A4 and Audi A5. This works in the Audi B8 model and I'll just talk you through how it works.
The system has been installed into Alpine's new demonstrator, the Audi A5 Sportback. It already has some really nice accessories on it, including rotiform wheels and lowered suspension. The Alpine X701-D is part of Alpine's new drive in designing enhancements that look more like factory-fitted options rather than an aftermarket upgrade. They have also made sure that the standard unit will carry all the refinements like iPod connectivity, Bluetooth and DAB radio as part of their navigation system upgrade. The unit also has a few additional options that can be added, including DVD, speaker upgrades and this nifty rear view camera.
Inside, let's look at this unit in greater detail. So there it is, the new Alpine X701-D head unit. And it's not the only thing that's been replaced, because we've replaced the head unit there, as you can see, the existing Audi Chorus Symphony or concert stereo that was previously installed. We've also changed the screen as well. We've now got a 7-inch touchscreen, high definition. Let's just turn that volume down a little bit. Okay, so the first thing to ask is, do we retain all of the controls of the stereo through the steering wheel? And the answer is yes, you do. So we can adjust the volume up. We can mute the stereo. We can adjust the source through the mode button. So there's the mode change. Back to volume. We can adjust the track up or down or your presets. So there's the presets. And you can also control your trip computer and display. So if I press and hold this for more than 2 seconds, 1, 2, we can activate the center screen as well. 1, 2. So let's just look at the button controls on the dash. Pressing the nav will bring it up to navigation. Press it again, you get an instant into destination. The audio will bring you straight up to the audio. The menu will bring you into the system menu, which is where you can operate the presets. You can go into the car settings, go into your car setup, you can look at your camera and so forth. The track up and down buttons will operate in the same respects as the button on the steering wheel. We also have a nice little button here called the favorites button. If we press the favorites button, that will bring up all of your favorites that you've stored previously, and I'll come back to that shortly. The only other button that's left on the dashboard is the cam button, and that activates the rear camera. So let's look at the touchscreen. Let's see how that works. The screen is very intuitive, very easy to use. So first of all, we talked about this favorites button. Well, if you on any of the screens, if you press the star button, you can add that automatically adds to the favorites button. So now, as you can see, we've now added a favorite to that screen. So the next thing to look at is, how do we control the rest of the navigation and all the other settings through the touch screen? So there's our presets on the left hand side, and we can change them like so. Our main menu, we can operate from the bottom in the same way as pressing the menu button on the dashboard. Our settings for volume is held up at the top. And the navigation is on the right. Press the navigation once, you get the split screen. Press the navigation again, you get full screen. So let's see how easy it is to program. So by pressing the search button again, we can go straight into the address. It can be entered through postcode. Very easy to use. And there's a route being calculated. Very simple to start. And there's a demonstration of the navigation. I can go back and listen to my audio, and the navigation will work in the background. The other key thing is knowing that the settings will still work on your Audi as well, and all of your menu can also be accessed through the setup. So as you can see, I can adjust the temperature controls, can be adjusted through here. The parking sensors can be seen in here, the oil settings, and also all of your car settings. So if you need to change your instrument cluster or whether you want to activate or deactivate your daytime running lights, all this can be done in the same way, except it's with the touchscreen. So thank you for looking at the demonstration. I hope you found it informative. Goodbye.